Ready to take control of your money and build the life you've always dreamed of? Investing is your ticket to financial freedom. It might sound intimidating, but it doesn't have to be. Investing is simply putting your money to work for you, helping it grow over time. Think of it like planting a seed. You start with something small, nurture it, and watch it blossom into something much bigger. That's the magic of compound growth. Your money earns interest, and then that interest earns even more interest. It's a snowball effect that can lead to incredible wealth over time. Imagine retiring comfortably, traveling the world, or pursuing your passions without financial worries. That's the power of investing. It's about taking charge of your financial future and creating a life of abundance. So, are you ready to unlock your financial potential? Let's dive in and explore the exciting world of investing together. Let's break down some key investment principles in simple terms. First, understand the difference between saving and investing. Saving is like putting your money in a safe place, like a bank account, where it earns a small amount of interest. Investing, on the other hand, is about putting your money into assets like stocks or bonds that have the potential for higher returns over the long term. Next, diversification is key. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across different asset classes, industries, and even countries. This reduces your risk and increases your chances of consistent growth. Think of it like having a well-balanced diet for your money. Finally, time is your greatest asset when it comes to investing. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow exponentially. Even small amounts invested consistently over time can lead to significant wealth down the road. Don't wait for the perfect moment. The best time to start investing is now. Ready to get started? Here are some actionable tips for beginner investors. First, create a budget. Track your income and expenses to understand your cash flow. This helps you identify areas where you can save and invest more. Remember, you need money to make money. Next, pay off high-interest debt. Credit card debt can eat away at your potential earnings. Prioritize paying off high-interest debt before investing aggressively. It's like clearing the weeds before planting your money seeds. Start small. Don't feel pressured to invest large sums of money right away. Begin with what you can comfortably afford and gradually increase your contributions over time. Even small, consistent investments add up. Explore low-cost index funds. Index funds are a great option for beginners. They are diversified, low-cost, and track the performance of a specific market index, like the S&P 500. Think of it like investing in the entire stock market with one purchase. Finally, seek professional advice. Consider consulting a financial advisor who can provide personalized guidance based on your financial goals and risk tolerance. They can help you navigate the investment landscape and make informed decisions. Section 4. Investing in action, real-world examples. Let's look at some real-world examples to illustrate the power of investing. Imagine you invested $10,000 in an S&P 500 index fund 30 years ago. Today, that investment could be worth hundreds of thousands of dollars, even with market fluctuations. This highlights the importance of long-term investing and riding out market volatility. Consider a young couple who diligently invest $500 per month in a retirement account. By starting early and remaining consistent, they could accumulate a comfortable nest egg by retirement, allowing them to enjoy their golden years without financial stress. These examples demonstrate the transformative potential of investing. It's not just about getting rich quick, it's about building a secure and prosperous future for yourself and your loved ones. Section 5. Embrace the journey. Building a brighter financial future. Investing is a journey, not a destination. It's about making smart financial decisions today to create a brighter tomorrow. It's about taking control of your money and putting it to work for you, so you can achieve your financial goals and live life on your terms. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. There will be market ups and downs along the way, but don't get discouraged. Stay focused on your long-term goals, remain consistent with your investments, and don't be afraid to seek guidance when needed. The most important step is to start. The sooner you begin investing, the sooner you can harness the power of compound growth and pave your path to financial freedom. Embrace the journey, stay informed, and watch your money grow. Section 6. Take charge. Your investment journey starts now. You have the power to shape your financial future. Investing is not just for the wealthy or financially savvy, it's for everyone who dreams of a brighter tomorrow. By taking small, consistent steps today, you can unlock incredible financial opportunities and build a life of abundance. Remember these key takeaways. Start early, invest consistently, and stay disciplined. Diversify your investments to manage risk. Seek professional guidance when needed. Embrace the journey and celebrate your progress. Your investment journey starts now. Take charge of your financial future, make informed decisions, and watch your money grow. You've got this.